So one of my jobs today is we got this water fountain that's leaking from somewhere up here. Here, check it out. See that? It's not supposed to do that. So I got to figure out what that is and let's try to get it fixed. Alright, so I'm getting deeper into this. Got a bunch taken off, the little shroud that you press in and out to activate the pressure switch here that flows water through it. I'm getting closer to the source. Check it out. I'm getting to that pesky little weasel. Let's dig in a little further. Okay, I think we found the culprit. Look at that. You ready? So, we are going to have to either order new parts or replace the drinking water fountain. So we'll get some numbers together and go talk to the customer.